Welcome to Sedona, Arizona, a destination like no other. Surrounded by towering red rocks and endless skies, this magical place offers an escape into nature, adventure, and serenity. Sedona is a haven for artists and explorers alike, where creativity flows through local galleries, boutique shops, and charming cafes, right next door to endless trails for hiking, jeep tours, and enjoying all of the wonder within these crimson cliffs. No matter your style, there are so many fantastic options for places to stay that offer exceptional service and comfort. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a little bit of both, Sedona invites you to connect with nature and your own spirit. Discover Sedona, where every moment is an opportunity to recharge, reflect, and experience the extraordinary.